unboxing time! So, nag-order tayo guys sa TikTok shop guys ng sandals guys. Let's open it guys. Ang SRP niya guys is 260 pesos at naka-free shipping fee siya guys. Ang in-order ko guys ay sandals na kulay beige. So, as you can see guys, wala siya guys box. Yun na hindi ko nagustuhan guys, wala siyang box. Pero before naman guys, yung binilin ko rin ng may box. So, depende lang talaga guys sa seller, no? Taran! Ano siya guys? Size 8. 38 guys. Diba guys? Cute naman siya. Kung pang magsisimba, pwede nyo siyang gamitin or any occasion guys. Diba? Kasyang-kasya lang po guys. Meron siyang 1 each na takong guys. Diba? If you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. See you in my next na guys. God bless you all. Bye!
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.